Hello everyone, I'm Ayush and I'm going to explain the topic of Hip Hop Club. This will be going to be a platform where artists from different parts of the world will have a platform to showcase their skills. This app is only for who's hustling hard and trying to make a name in the genre of hip hop. This app will be way too different from other platforms like YouTube because we here will be only supporting the genre of hip hop. In this app, no music label can put their work in. This way, this app is going to work and the phones will be made. This is the app interface. This is how the app is going to work.